Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to order on 1688 Chinese shopping app without using an agent. And this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to our you just simply click on here to open my 1688 Chinese shopping app. After opening up my 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to make sure you source for product from different supplier on 1688. There are so many ways by which you can use to source for products from different supplier on 1688. One of the very first ways to come to the top right here, type the name of the products you are looking for in the search engine right here. Let's say for instance you are looking for shoes. Click on here and type in shoes. Then hit on search, and in a few seconds you are going to see similar results of different types of shoes. And then you can scroll down right there. The more you scroll down, the more you see different types of products right here. However, you can also go back to the home page right here, and then from the click on here to go back. Then from the home page right here, you can also connect with the manufacturer direct. And how do you do that? Simply click on this icon right here. This is where you see all direct manufacturer of different type of products in China. You are going to be found right here. Alternatively, you can come back to the home page right here, then click on this green icon right here. This allows you to see all the latest and new products uploaded by different suppliers across China on 1688 Chinese shopping app. However, after you are able to source for products from different suppliers, so in this tutorial, I'm going to use a particular product link as an example, and I'll walk you through step by step on how you can actually place an order using 1688 Chinese shopping app without using agent. So let me show you an example with a particular. All right, like this particular product right here, I'm going to use it as an example and show you on how you can actually place an order without using agent. So this product right here, when you get to a product page, you need to simply scroll down and check on the product detail, such as the rating from the point right here. Click on here. So from the sales page right here, you need to simply check on the product detail right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see the product picture right here. However, this depends on the number of the product picture that was uploaded by different supplier right here. So this particular product here is what exactly I'm going to buy right now on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So for us to place order for this particular items right here, what we want to do here is to simply click on here. And this is going to pump up right here. Here, this is where we need to select the quantity and the sizes we want right here. Okay. From this product right here, I need 5x6, 12 pieces. So I have to simply scroll down right here and make sure I look for 5x6. So right here, I will click on here. I need 12 pieces of it. I will simply type in 12 right here. Simply type in 12 right here. Okay. Then I need another size. I need size 7x8, this one right here. So I need it to be 12 pieces or so. I will simply click on here again and I will have 12 right here. I'll click on here. I will type in 12. Okay. Then lastly, I need this 3x4 right here. I need this 3x4. So what we want to do here is to make sure I click on here and add 12 here. So I'll click on here now. I'll make sure I type in. So 3x4, I'll make sure I type in 1, 2 right here. Okay. So having select everything right here, next thing I need to do is to simply scroll down right here and check on the total right here. Okay. So right here, I have all total number here to be 36. Then I also need this particular 7x8. I need 12 pieces of it. I will simply click on here and add 12. And that is that. So everything I have right here now is about 36 pieces. That is 12 here, 12 here, and 12 here. Everything here is 36 pieces, okay? So having selected everything, next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed to check out. The next thing I need to do is to enter my payment password right here to complete the payment. Just like what you see right here, order was paid successful. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to go back and have to continue to go back and have to make sure I proceed to my profile right now. So, and for me to do that, I need to click on here. So by the time I refresh my profile, the order we just placed now is going to be found right here. So I'm going to simply click on here. Just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to order from 168 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or IDFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.